In this video, I show you how to add a column or multiple columns in Excel. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. And once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Firstly, you need to go and open Excel and decide where you want your new column to be. For myself, I want it to be in between B and C. And then what you need to do is go and select the column to the right of where you want the new column to be. So because I want it in between B and C, in this case, to the right is C. Then all you need to do is right click on the top of C like so, and then just go and tap on insert like that, and a new column is then added. Now if you want to go and add multiple new columns, for example in between D and E, then what you need to do is click on E again and then hold and drag across as many columns as you want to add in between D and E. So in this case I want to add 4. Then I'll go and right click on E like this and then go and press insert, and as you can see it's then gone and added 4 in between D and E, and the number which was in E1 has now been pushed to I1. It's that easy. If you guys found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.